Hey, it's Kat here, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to do a front post double crochet. I've already crocheted a row of double crochet here, and then I've chained 3 to start the next row. So now we're going to do a front post double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over with my crochet hook. I'm going to go into this hole here and then around the back of that post. So that post kind of sticks out. Then I'm going to yarn over again and pull through and round the back of that post. So I have 3 loops on my hook, and then you're going to just carry on as you would with a normal double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first 2, and then yarn over and pull through the second 2. And there is your front post double crochet. So we're going to yarn over and go into the stitch and around the back of that stitch, so it's kind of sticking out and over the crochet hook, and then we're going to yarn over again, pull through around the back of that post, and then you have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 of those, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you've now done 2 front post double crochets. And you're just going to carry on like that. If you're doing this in a project, then this is really nice stitch. And also I'm going to show you the back in a minute, because it creates a line at the back depending on what you would like. This is what the front looks like, and then the back, it kind of creates a ribbing effect like that. So you could even do it for like a mock knit effect. So that is how you do your front post double crochet. If you like videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I bring out new videos all the time. And if you want to see another stitch, which is really amazing, then go to this video here. I'll see you there.